Hello and welcome to this week's update of what's happening at the Writers' Bureau. Yesterday we had our Zoom writing lunch where we came together to chat about writing and work from a writing prompt. The prompt this week was First Love. The writers produced poems and descriptive pieces about their first loves, and funnily enough, none of them were romantic. Subjects included a bass guitar, reading, football, music, mangoes, and a car. So why not give it a go? Would you write about a romance, or would you write about your first love being an activity or a thing? One of the things I really love about our Zoom writing sessions is that it brings together people from all over the world that are connected by the love of writing. So in yesterday's session, even though most people were from the British Isles, we also had someone joining us from Trinidad and another from India. I mean, that's 9.5 hours apart on the planet. How fantastic is that? Now, if you like a writing prompt, then check out our blog post from a few weeks ago. It has 5 different prompts on it for you. The great thing about a prompt is that it can kickstart your thought process and is a good way to warm up your writing muscle. Doing a warm-up for your writing will help you get into the zone and make your writing flow better. And finally, we have announced our summer term workshops. Starting next Tuesday, WB tutor Esther Chilton is running a 2-session workshop on making money from your short stories. There are a couple of places left, so if you're interested, you can find out more and sign up by following the link above. That's all from me for now, so I'll see you next time. Bye!